Good evening, Professor Alfonso Scopari. I send you my warning regards. I continuing with the second assignment for Unit 2. I had watched the video link which present a debate between Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump about gun control in the United States. In this debate, Donald Trump defends gun ownership as a fundamental right for self-defense and the protection of property. Gun control in the United States is a vitally important issue that has generated polarized debate in the country. The second amendment to the Constitution guarantees the right to bear arms, which has led to a discussion about the government role in regulating firearm ownership. Donald Trump point of view argues that the right to bear arms is fundamental for personal safety and individual liberty. He believes citizens should have the right to protect themselves and their families from an entry, regardless of government regulation. Where I disagree with Donald Trump point of view, will the second amendment is important. I believe public safety should be the priority. The right to bear arms should not be an absolute right, as many firearms are used for criminal violence, violence acts. Acts. Easy access to guns has led to an increase in gun violence, including mass shooting that have claimed innocent lives. I don't believe an absolute right to bear arms guarantees safety. A firm's argument in favor of gun control is that the proliferation of the firearms creates a climate of insecurity and violence. I might firearm ownership should be subject to a strict regulation to ensure public safety. I see Donald Trump arguing that guns are for self-protection, but it believe going to gun control measures are essential to prevent dangerous people from gaining access to them. I have argued that the proliferation of firearms leads to the violence, but the other side has not responded to this point. In my opinion, going control is a critical issue. I balance must be found between protecting the rights to bear arms and public safety. I believe that strict regulation on gun ownership, including background checks, a ban, a ban on assault weapons, and regulating sales are necessary measures to reduce going to violence and create safety society. That is my contribution and perspective on this debate. Thank you very much.